Madison makes beaded bracelets. She uses 9 beads for each bracelet. Madison uses the equation below to find the number of bracelets she can make with 72 beads. How many bracelets can Madison make with 72 beads using this equation? Well, the equation is 9 times what equals 72. So if I'm thinking 9 times what equals 72, I'm thinking, all right, well, which of these options, if I multiply to 9, gets me 72? Is 9 times 8 72? Yeah. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 63, definitely not 72. Use a calculator. And 9 times 81 is way more than 72. Not even close. So the only answer that makes sense here is A.